7 mistakes you should avoid as UIUX designer. There are several common mistakes that you should avoid to create effective and user-friendly designs. Here are 7 mistakes to be mindful of. Neglecting user research. Failing to conduct proper user research can lead to designs that don't meet users' needs. Understand your target audience, their goals, preferences, and pain points to inform your design decisions. Ignoring usability. Usability is a crucial aspect of UIUX design. Don't sacrifice usability for aesthetics. Ensure that your designs are intuitive, easy to navigate, and accessible to a wide range of users. Overcomplicating the interface. Simplicity is key in UIUX design. Avoid cluttered interfaces and excessive visual elements. Strive for a clean and organized design that allows users to focus on the core features and tasks. Lack of consistency. Consistency is vital for a cohesive user experience. Maintain a consistent design language, including colors, typography, iconography, and layout throughout your project. Inconsistencies can confuse users and make the experience feel disjointed. Poor typography choices. Typography plays a significant role in user experience. Avoid using illegible fonts, inconsistent font sizes, and excessive use of different font styles. Ensure that your typography choices align with the overall design aesthetic and enhance readability. Not prioritizing mobile responsiveness. In today's mobile-centric world, designing for mobile devices is essential. Neglecting to make your designs responsive and adaptable to different screen sizes can lead to a frustrating experience for mobile users. Disregarding user feedback. Feedback from users is invaluable for improving your designs. Don't dismiss user feedback or assume that your design is perfect. Actively seek user input, conduct usability testing, and iterate based on the feedback received to continually enhance the user experience. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can create UIUX designs that are user-centered, intuitive, and engaging. Remember to keep learning and evolving.